Are you a perfectionist? About 3 years ago, I started making my YouTube videos. I wanted my YouTube videos to be perfect. I didn't want anything to be wrong with them. I would spend days on one single YouTube video. I would edit them. I wanted them to be informative. I wanted them to be useful for my students. I just wanted the most perfect videos in the world. And when I finished editing and recording and everything in between, I still felt the video was not good enough. One day, a coach of mine said I had a problem with perfectionism. So I was a perfectionist. And I thought, no way. How can I be a perfectionist? I'm nowhere near perfectionism. I don't want things to be 100% perfect. I know that, I'm not perfect. And this is what I told her. Her name is Kimberly, by the way. She said she started asking me more questions. And the more questions she asked me, the more I started to see evidence that, yes, indeed, I was in fact a perfectionist. I came to realize that behind perfectionism is fear. I was scared of being judged by my students. I was scared of them saying, oh, what terrible lessons these are. So that's why I spent so much time trying to deliver the best lessons for my students. I know you're wondering, what's this got to do with me? How can this help me? Well, let's take a minute and talk about your speaking. Have you ever thought, I'm not ready to speak. I'm going to make mistakes. I need to practice alone a little bit more. My English is not good enough for me to speak to anybody. If you're nodding and you think this is you, this is the time to start. Start as soon as you can. Start speaking and start speaking fearlessly. Even if you're scared, speak anyway. Don't start when you think you're good enough. Start now. Find a speaking partner, find a friend, start speaking. Don't wait. So list the things that you need to be doing to get you started and pick one and start doing that. If that doesn't work, move on to the next thing. Move on to the next speaking partner. You might be thinking, well, teacher, I still need to work on my accent. I still need to perfect my pronunciation. I still need to work on my grammar. I don't have enough vocabulary. I can't possibly practice speaking. I really don't care what excuse you have. I want you to start today. Take action. Write down what you need to do to start practicing your speaking. Find someone you can practice speaking with on a regular basis and do this at least 3-4 times a week, at least. Start doing this now. Remember, it's okay to feel uncomfortable. It's okay to feel fear. I want you to still do it, because when you do this, when you know what you're scared of and you know you might fail and that you might make mistakes and you still do it, that's when your life will start changing. That's when your English starts improving, and you'll see that you'll get more opportunities and you're much more willing to do more things instead of staying comfortable and not developing and not improving. In the comments below, write down, yes, I'm going to start taking action, even when I'm scared, in the comments, so I know you're going to start taking action and you're not going to think about being perfect and doing everything in a perfect way before you start speaking. Do it imperfectly, do it with mistakes, because this is the best way you're going to start moving forward. Thank you so much for being here, fearless learner. I will see you next week. Remember to share this video with your friends, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you next week with another new lesson. I'll see you later. Bye.